With the introduction of the previous Air, we got Quickshots, which is a very easy way for you to generate some really stunning footage. Let's get the drone airborne so you can see what's possible. No, confirm. HDR, normal. We just record a little bit of video here while we're doing this. 30 FPS. See, there was somebody over there. So let's just get it airborne. Let's get it into position. We just use the car as an example. So we start by going in here and choose Quickshots. And the first one, that is the Dronie. And we simply just highlight me as the subject, like that. And then the drone will basically back away while it's ascending. And you can set the different distances that it needs to go back before it returns. That's the smart part about the Quickshot, is that once it has executed the shot, it will return to the position where we sort of took off. So now it's getting back here. So now it's done. So let's try the rocket. For the rocket, we try to go maybe to this position. Tilt the gimbal a little bit down here. Pick me as the subject. And then it will simply rise while it's keeping me in focus by tilting the gimbal. And that's a pretty awesome shot as well. You don't need to do much to do it, it just does it. So now it's getting back here. So we can try the next one. So it's safely positioned above the car. So let's see, the next one is circle. So let's back it a little bit more away here. So press that one, press start. It will simply just circle around me and keep me in focus. So it's doing a 360 and then it stops in the position where we left it. So that's pretty nice. So let's see the next one. That is the Helix. The Helix, we just go in here. Are you enjoying my content so far? Then consider subscribing and hitting the bell next to it so you don't miss out on upcoming videos like this. Like that. And that one is also a circle, but what that does is that it increases the radius to me, so it's like a helix, like an upward going spiral that increases the distance to me. You see, now it increases the distance. And you've got to be a little bit careful with these flight modes because there's no side sensors on the Air, so you don't really have anything that will save you in case that something is in the way when it's swirling around like that. So see, now it did that one. So now it returns. You can see you can adjust which way that it should go around, and that goes for all the quick shots. There are certain things that you can adjust in there. So let's just try one more. There's the Boomerang. That is a really cool one. So let's just do that one. So what that one does is that it goes out like a boomerang and then it returns. I never thrown a boomerang, so this is how it's supposed to work, I guess. So let's see what's left in the back. That's Asteroids, and that is also a very cool one. So let's just do that one, do the start. And that will basically be the same as a Dronie, but it will encapsulate the world around it like an asteroid. So that's for a really, really cool effect. I'm not sure that we will be able to see that directly here in the interface. But it should stop up there now, and it should take pictures of all the surroundings. So it can do the thing, the asteroid thing. Then it starts to take pictures of the surroundings, like a 360-degree sphere, which it can combine to this globe that we all have seen on social media. So that one is probably the one that takes the longest amount of time to complete. And it's a beautiful weather today, so that's pretty nice. So it's done. So it's returning. So those are the Quickshots modes available inside the drone. So you would basically get the Dronie, the rocket, the circle, the Helix, the Boomerang, and the Asteroid. So that's 6 Quickshot modes that you get available with this drone. So which one of these 6 Quickshot modes is your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. And I do want to say a big thank you to Dronie, which has made it possible for me to test the Mavic Air 2 long before anyone else got access to this drone in Denmark. So that's pretty cool and pretty nice of them. If you decide to order a Mavic Air, you should definitely consider doing it from them, because they have their own workshop and showroom located inside Copenhagen, and also of course a web shop that will be able to deliver for most of Scandinavia and Europe. And I gotta tell you, they are nice guys. They're always up for a chat if you stop by the workshop. Did you miss some of the other videos that I did with the Mavic Air 2? In case you missed that, I made a playlist for you with all the videos that I've made around the Mavic Air 2. And you can access this through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. And if you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.